Today we are working on Excel Lesson 7, the third lesson, go to a cell or named range. So click on cell A3, this little cell right here. To jump to that cell using the mouse, press F5. That opens a Go To dialog box. In the Go To dialog box, click Expenses, and then click OK. You can see that it jumped over here to this because that's your expenses range. In the drop down menu in the name box, click Revenues. So right here you see here's the name box, so you can click Revenues and that jumps to that. The new cell range C5 to C6 is now selected. Go to the next one. Press Control plus the Control G. Type H14 in the reference text box, H14. Be sure that H14 is the only address in that box, so that's the only thing. And that jumped to there. So this is just showing you all these different ways to do this. Click in the name box and type F3 and press enter, and it jumped to F3. So we showed you 4 different ways to go to a cell or a named range. So let's submit that. 4 green check marks. There they are. And this completes go to a cell or name range. Short and sweet.